talk about a massive opportunity that's basically hiding in plain sight inside the whole AI revolution. And no, this isn't about building the next ChatGPT. It's about bridging a $1 billion gap for businesses, and we're actually looking at a whole new educational model that's designed to make it happen.
Okay, so let's dive right in. To really get a grip on the opportunity here, you first got to understand the problem. Right now, there's this massive disconnect between what everyone promises AI can do and the day-to-day reality for most companies out there.
So why is this happening? Well, for most businesses out there, it's just a buzzword, right? They hear about it all the time, they know they should be using it, but when it comes down to it, they have no earthly idea how to actually make it work for them and get real, tangible results.
And look, this isn't some far-off futuristic problem. It's happening right now. I mean, companies are literally stuck using these ancient, clunky spreadsheets and workflows that are just cobbled together, and it's costing them thousands every single month. We're talking lost time and major inefficiencies.
Okay, get ready for this number because this is where it gets really wild. For every single person out there who knows how to offer AI development or automation services, there are, get this, 1,100 businesses in the US alone that are desperate for help. I mean, that is just a staggering, mind-blowing gap in the market. So, when you have a gap that huge, the market is basically screaming for a new kind of skilled person and, a totally new way to train them. And that's where this really cool solution comes in. Think of it as a modern digital trade school. It's called the AI e-commerce model, and it's specifically designed for vocational schools, what you might know as TVET colleges. You can really just think of it as a blueprint, a step-by-step guide to give students these practical, super high-demand AI skills that they can use the second they graduate, whether that's to land a great job or, and this is the exciting part, start their own thing. And I love this quote because it just nails the whole idea. See, this isn't about becoming some PhD in computer science stuck in a lab somewhere. It's about learning a digital trade. Just like a plumber learns how to fix your leaky pipes, a student in this program learns how to fix those super expensive, inefficient business problems. But their tools are custom AI software.
All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does this actually work? Let's work at the blueprint that takes a student from, well, knowing nothing to being a total pro. So it's all broken down into 4 really clear stages. You start with the basics, right? The foundational e-commerce and AI skills. Then you move on to how to actually integrate AI into a real business. Stage 3 is all about getting your hands dirty with practical, real-world work experience. And then the final step, stage 4, is all about launching you as a certified AI e-commerce entrepreneur. But here's the real kicker, and maybe the best part of this whole thing. Graduates don't just leave with a piece of paper. They leave with an actual, proven, ready-to-go business model. We're talking about their very own AI automation agency. So what are these new agencies actually selling? Well, they're offering these high-value services that businesses are absolutely clamoring for. For example, they can build out an MVP, a minimum viable product, for a new app idea in just a few weeks, not months and months. Or they can build custom internal tools and dashboards to finally get rid of those awful spreadsheets. They can even create their own niche software as a service, or SaaS, for a specific industry. Okay, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great on paper, but does it actually work in the real world? Well, let's look at the proof. Because people who've gone through this are already out there making some serious money with these exact same skills. Just take a look at some of these wins from the community. You've got Ajax AI, who built an AI medical system. They charged over $5,600 for the initial project, and get this, they also got 20% equity in the company. That's huge. Then there's Lucia. She had 0 prior coding experience, and she built a financial planning platform for $7,300. Incredible. And look at Tobias Fox, who built an analytics dashboard for a huge client, UCLA, and charged $3,500. And this right here, this really shows you the long-term power of this model. Because it's not just about landing a single project. The real goal is securing those high-value monthly retainers for ongoing support and work. You see people like Ryan Duffy pulling in $5,000 a month, and another community member locking in an absolutely insane $15,000 every single month. So let's kind of wrap this all up. While the whole world is obsessing over using AI, the real hidden opportunity, that billion-dollar gap